Hey, welcome my YouTube friends to Scrapping It Up. I am Vanessa Peter, and today I want to show you a couple of folios. Um, I told you after I got them all decorated that I would do a final review of them. This is from my Quick and Easy Folio series that I've been hosting right here on my YouTube channel. And it's where I am teaching you how to make some quick and easy folios, because I know it is that time of the year that you got craft fairs that you want to do. Christmas is coming up, and these are just quick and easy ones that you can sit down in a day and pretty well finish up. Okay. So I got style number 1, and the scraps that we had left over from that one, I come up with style number 2. Okay. You can purchase the tutorial if you would like to, so you can have the cutting guide, written instructions, and all the process videos all in a project folder. I do give out the measurements during my classes, and I am doing the decorating class. Now, there's one of these that don't have a deck. Oh, it's style. Oh, my butterfly got bent. I need to glue him down. Ah, sorry. I gotta do this. I don't want it to get ruined. I think at style number 3 there is no decorating classes. I goofed up on that. But there is decorating classes for the rest of them. So you can purchase a tutorial right now. I have it discounted. We're on style number 5. When we get done with this series, then the tutorial will go up to regular price. Right now it's discounted. Okay. So I'll put the link down below if you want to go check it out. It's really cheap right now. It's either 8 or 12 bucks. I can't remember which one. And when we're all done, it's going to go up to regular price of $19.99, because it does take a lot to do stuff like this. I have to come up with a prototype and, and write out the tutorial, check it, yeah, there's a lot of work. I just kind of help support my channel so I can do stuff like this with you. Okay. All right. So I did use a very berry collection, and we had 1 pack, and then we had the just the basic kit. Okay, let's look at style number 1 first. I did do a ribbon closure. This one is so cute, and this one is the covers are made out of 80-pound cardstock, and then the contents inside is 65-pound. Okay, so you open it up and you have this. It's a gatefold. Okay, so right off the get-go, we have a waterfall. Beautiful journaling spot, picture spot. And I did use my pen to kind of decorate it up a little bit. I just free-handed it. Beautiful. Then here we have a little tuck spot. I stuck down the photo mat, but I only glued it on 3 sides. So that way you could stick some tags underneath here and to tell the story. All right. Beautiful. So then this mirrors this side. So you open this up, and right off the bat, we have a belly band. This opens up for that. Oops, need to get in camera. Sorry about that. Okay. So then everything in the belly band keeps it nice and tidy. And again, I just done some more of my doodling. Then we have just a shallow pocket here. And then we have a sideways waterfall. Beautiful. Oh, I didn't do my pin thing right there. Whoops. Then this closes. And this here keeps everything nice and tidy. Okay. So then the other side, we open it up. Waterfall. This opens. This keeps everything nice and tidy. And again, very quick album to put together. Then we got our shallow pocket. Then this flips. Oh, this collection is just beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, I done my striping there. I need to finish that. Very cute. And again, this just keeps it all nice and tidy. Okay. And then I just added some black here just to kind of, give it a little bit different look. This side closes first, then this side, and then it ties shut. How cute is that, guys? How cute is that? I hope you want to make this. I do. Okay, so we had scraps left over, so guess what? I came up with another one. This one measures 8.5 by 6 1/4. Yes, and this one here measures 9.5 by 8. Okay, 9.5 by 8. And what did I say this one was? 8.5 by 6 1/4. Okay, so it opens up. Right off the get-go, you got pockets. Okay. Had to have something to do with all these tags from the collection. And I thought, yep, why not a pocket? Perfect, perfect. So again, all your tags. And a pocket here. So then it opens up like this. Look at that spread. Ain't that beautiful? That opens up. You have a little tuck spot here for some photo mats. Then this flips and you have that. And here I just separated. I didn't have any big pieces left. This whole album is pretty well put together with scraps. But like here, I just use the pieces from the top of the paper that we all cut off and throw away. Don't throw them away. Use them. Yeah, mainly this whole album is scraps. And I thought, that's cute. You just put your picture on there. Very cute. Okay, this side mirrors this side, so this side opens up. Again, you have a little pocket here and photo mat. And you have that. So very cute. And there's one that I put a photograph or a photo mat on so you could see what it looks like. Now, ain't that cute? Yeah, I just thought that was lovely. I thought that was just pretty cool. So then that all folds, that's your album. So I will put all the links down below to all the other classes. The link if you want to go purchase the tutorial, so it's yours to keep forever. And if I would, ever update one of these or something, you would get the updates on it. But it's all in one project folder. Okay. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thanks for hanging out with me. Yeah, I hope you will make some of these. I hope. All right, guys, that's all I have for you. So we will be talking to you in the next video. As always, keep scrapping. Bye-bye.